Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is now the other mystery box that I had. This one is going to be a makeup mystery box, and they said it was a high dollar value mystery box, and I want to say I paid about $35 for this one. That doesn't include shipping. They do have shipping costs. So I'd say roughly I probably paid about $40 to $45 for this box, all said and done with shipping. But it is supposed to be a high dollar makeup box, so hopefully we've got some good makeup in here. So let's not waste any time and get this puppy opened. I'm excited to see what kind of makeup we get. Because in one of my other boxes, oh, they actually double boxed it. Okay. This is crazy. Uh-oh, we got a little. All right, so it looks like they double boxed this. That's crazy. Oh my gosh, and more paper. Oh, all right. Let's see what we got. All right, so it looks like we have some L'Oreal serum. Let's see. I think this is a concealer, but let's check it and see. Oh yeah, it is. It's Visible Lift Serum Foundation. So this is what it is. And we got two of these, and these are coming up $13.45 a piece. So that's not bad. Right here we're already at over $20 in just these two. And then we got some L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. So let's scan this one. Yeah, so this one's coming up $10 a piece. They're about $9.92. And we got another one and another one. Some of these do have a clearance, so let's see what we got going on here. This has got a Walgreens on it. I think this is a lip gloss. Yeah, this is a lip gloss. I mean, it has a Walgreens anti-security tag on it, so maybe it's worth something. Probably a whole $7, but we will see. So, oh, these are actually $10.75 a piece. These little L'Oreal Infallible Pro Lip Gloss. So I know I've seen a few of these in here. We've got a whole bunch of different colors. So let's see. I know I saw this is another one. It looks like maybe just a different one, but it's probably about the same price. So we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 of them so far that I see. And oh, take that back. 10. And then we got some. Let's check out. Let's see what else I got going on here. Here's another one. I'm gonna try and like group these together for you guys because I feel like this box probably will take a little bit. Oh, we got another one. So that makes 11. So it looks like we got quite a few of these. So I'll group those together. Oh, we got another one of those matte ones. And we got some So let's see. This is a CoverGirl Extremis Cream. Oh, I think it's a lipstick. Definitely has a lipstick container to it. And it is grape soda. That's kind of cool. They only went $3.56 for it though. Not good. So I guess you got to be pretty fashionable there to wear purple lipstick, so that's probably why it's only $3. Not everybody can pull off purple lipstick. And then I think I got quite a few of these True Match. So we've got, I want to say these are probably a concealer. They're small. Let's see. Oh, that one's different. All right. So I have a whole bunch of these. They're all in different shades, but they're pretty much, I'm sure, going to be the same thing. So let's kind of scan these and see what these are coming up at. Okay, these are, it depends. I see the cheaper one right now is $5.99. Some other people do have it for like 12 bucks, but so basically it's this one. These are, yep, a concealer. So yeah, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 concealers. And then this one's a little different. Let's see, I think this is a lip gloss. No, liquid eyeshadow. Don't know how I kind of feel about this one. Doesn't look like it's all there, but we will scan it. This one might be a dud. So this is L'Oreal Brilliant Eyes, it says, shimmer eyeshadow in the gold, and it's $7. But I really don't know how this one, I don't know. It looks like it, I don't know if it all settled to one side or something, but I'm not sure. It might be a little used or something. All right, and then we got some more foundation. This CoverGirl Clean Matte Foundation. So let's see how much these are going for. And then I'm trying to like do this so I don't really have to pop up the stuff on the screen for you guys. But if you guys do like me popping it up on the screen, just let me know and I'll continue to do that. I'm just trying to complete it all in this one swoop for you guys. So these are coming to be about $8 a piece for each one of these CoverGirl foundations. And then, let's see, so I think I've got a few of these. These are, looks like we got L'Oreal Infallible Bronzer. I've got 3 of these, so let's see how much these are worth. These might be worth a little bit. We will see. Yeah, actually a lot less than I thought. $6.50. And I've got 3 of these. So, I mean, not as much as I thought they would be. And then let's see, we've got these 3 of these Aged Perfection 4-in-1 tinted balm infused with firming serum. I'm not sure what tinted balm. Is this for your lips? I'm assuming maybe it might be like a lipstick or something. Oh, Oh, take it back. Looks like this one's going for about between, some people have them at $20, but then I see one for 10. So let's just see. Oh, it's a foundation with firming serum. So it's a foundation. Sorry guys, not up to speed with makeup. I barely have enough time to put deodorant on half of the time. I have a 3-year-old. So I would love to be able to do makeup. Really would. But so I got 3 of these and they're coming up about 10 bucks a piece. So that's $30 right there. And then it looks like we got 1 package left. And oh, it looks like we got some more of this CoverGirl foundation. So we got these, clean foundation. Let's see how much these ones are coming up at. And it looks like these are all like varied tints too. Like I don't have all of the same tint either. So, oh, okay. This one's actually kind of surprising. I really did not think. So, I mean, the prices vary in these, but the one that's coming up right now for this one is about $17.55. So that's not bad for each one of these. You know, you're talking 2, 4, 6. That's $60 right there in these two. I mean, provided I'm probably not going to get that much for these, but I'd probably get close to it. Especially, you know, some people really like to stick with certain makeups. So all in all, guys, I mean, I'd say I probably walked away with this box with a couple $100 of merchandise. So that's not bad for what this box cost me. Will I hold on to this makeup for a little while? Probably. Makeup does sell, but just not at the speed that, you know, other things sell at. But I mean, you get some people who are tried and true to certain colors, certain brands of makeup. So, but yeah, guys, all in all, I think it's an okay box. But if you guys want to see me get more of these boxes, then I'm gonna definitely try to look up. I have seen some stuff on Facebook too, that actually are Amazon mystery boxes, and I see people sitting here saying they get an iPad in them, a MacBook Pro, all these crazy things. So if you guys want to see me try one of those boxes, and supposedly they're not that expensive. I want to say they're about between 50 to 80 bucks. So if you guys want to see me try one of those, drop some comments. Let me know. I'll be more than happy to, you know, let you guys know if those things are even worth it, if it's a scam, if it's a ripoff. But all right, guys, I appreciate it, and thank you for watching. And remember, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, and share, guys. Thank you. Bye.